Welcome back to
Cool ass papers that I read this week.
This one comes from the prestigious Advanced Materials, where they made biomimetic nanoparticles specifically for inflammation. This idea of using nanoparticles to target certain tissues isn't exactly new, but it's also not well understood. You often need to make very complex nanoparticles in order to account for all the different mumbo jumbo that's going on in your body. The group thought, what if we made a nanoparticle that mimics the cells that are involved in inflammation? By putting proteins from these specific cells onto the outside of their nanoparticles, they could do three main things. 1. Avoid the immune cells that like to remove nanoparticles from the body. 2. Avoid all of the healthy cells you want to remain unaffected by the nanoparticles. And 3. Target the site of inflammation. And my personal favorite part? They showed that these proteins were in the perfect orientation on this nanoparticle to bind to the site of inflammation. And all they had to do was mix a bunch of things together. So easy! They've since used these biomimetic MPs to tackle other disease areas, which you bet I'll be making videos on later. So follow me if you don't want to miss them.